Okay, 13 is another one where we want to combine like terms together, but this time we have two variables. So kind of similar to the previous one that we did, you want to first of all clear out this negative here. You want to distribute that all the way through and get rid of the parentheses, so that's your first step. The first one we don't have anything to do on that because there's nothing being multiplied in front, so I'm just going to go ahead and write this one as is. Okay, so that's the first three terms. All these I'm just going to switch the sign because of the negative there. So I have negative a squared b, I have negative plus 13ab. Negative times a positive, I get negative 12ab squared. Negative gives you plus. Okay, once we've done all that, next thing you're going to do is combine like terms together. Now when you have two variables, you have to have the same two variables raised to the same two powers, and those are considered like terms. So for instance, if I have an a squared b, the only other thing I can combine with this is another term that has a squared b in it. Well, I do have another one of those right here. This one's not, and this one's not, because notice the powers, they're raised to different things. This is a to the first power and b squared, but this is reversed. So we want to only add the ones together. They have the same powers and same variables. I have a 5 minus 8, that's negative 3 a squared b. Okay, now next thing I'm going to look at is this one and this one. Both of those have AB terms. The A and the B are both raised to the first power. I have a negative 2 and a positive 13. So 13 minus 2, we get 11. So plus 11 AB, and that's going to be positive. Next, I have an AB squared. I have another AB squared term there. So I have a 9 minus 12, that's negative 3 AB squared. And finally I got a 7 on the end, which I can't combine with anything else. It's not a like term with anything. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that one on the end. So this will be your final answer. Don't worry about writing descending powers here if you have different variables. I'll take this written in any order. Be really careful that you don't combine these two together. Again, these last two you can't combine because you have different powers on both of those. So this is as far as you can go with your answer.